Grease.
Grease.
I am currently, though, looking for a home taco that has a lot of grease.
Butter.
Butter.
We're going to start with the butter.
Ghee.
Ghee.
Butter, but ghee. This is clarified butter. They filter out all the solids and they get rid of those, and you're just having this pure fat. It's a very good fat to.
Margarine.
Margarine.
Margarine is basically an emulsion of water in fat, resembling butter in appearance, character, and
A butter substitute.
Tallow.
Tallow.
Tallow. That is fat from beef. I recommend doing the grass-fed beef fat versus the grain-fed beef fat because it's going to be healthier. Tallow.
Oils.
Oils.
Talk about the healthiest oils to use.
Vegetable oil.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Roughly 8 cups of olive oil.
The EVOO, extra virgin olive oil, on top of mine.
Cold pressed olive oil.
Cold pressed olive oil.
Unrefined flaxseed oil has a high ratio of omega-3.
Flaxseed oil.
Flaxseed oil.
Sesame oil, peanut oil.
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
Next, coconut oil and
Coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
If you wanted to use coconut oil here, this would be a great application. Olive oil kind of makes it a little soft.
okay, you do olive oil.
Olive oil.
Well, that's avocado oil.
Well, avocado oil actually is really great.
Yeah, because it matches. And then I'm gonna just butter the toast.
She's using
Avocado oil.
Avocado oil.
Castor oil.
Castor oil.
Peanut oil or
Peanut oil.
Peanut oil.
Sunflower seed oil, the safflower seed oil, as well as the
Sunflower oil.
Palm oil.
Palm oil.
some of the differences between palm oil and coconut oil. There's been a lot of attention on coconut oil.
Grape seeds oil.
Grape seeds oil.
And 1/4 cup of canola oil or grapeseed oil. And
the grapeseed oil really.
Soy oil.
Soy oil.
Corn oil.
Corn oil. Canola oil. Canola oil.
Cotton seeds oil.
Cotton seeds oil.
Vegetable oils, as in soy oil, corn oil, canola, cottonseed, are highly inflammatory, and those